how to fix account already exists on this device in the World app or the Worldcoin app. So here's what you have to do. The first thing that we need to do is go into our phone settings, and right here, once we're taken to the settings, you will just search for iPhone storage, like so, if you're using an iPhone. Go into the iPhone storage, and right here you just want to sort by name. And the first thing that I suggest doing is reinstalling the application. So we're gonna go all the way down to W, and you just want to find the World app, click on it, offload the application, and then you will click on reinstall. Now once you do this, this is going to verify the integrity of the files. Now the second thing that you can do if you're getting this error, account exists on this device, on the World app, then you can either use another device or you can log into your existing account in order to fix this issue. It's gonna ask you for your mobile number, and then you can just log in, and it is as simple as that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.